Welcome back to the WealthX project channel, everyone. My name is Michael, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to make passive income with copy trading. I will discuss the things like what copy trading actually is, how to make passive income with it, and how to set it up correctly. So let's start what copy trading actually is. Well, about a month ago, I obtained a master trader status on Bybit. Bybit is a global exchange, crypto exchange, which basically means other people can copy all my investment strategies. So basically, when I enter a trade or an investment, this is getting copied automatically to your account on Bybit as well. And this happens automatically. You don't have to lift a finger. So this is a great passive income if set up and done correctly. Okay, so that's what copy trading is. Basically, all my trades, all my investment strategies are copied directly to your account automatically. In other words, when I make money, you make money as well. So talking about the money, let's take a look at my performance for the past 30 days. I did not advertise this at all for the past 30 days because I wanted to just test it, see how it goes. So you can see this equates to about 30% increase on the entire account, which is great. Nice big profit here. And the win rate was about 95% with total 35 positions closed. Average time was about 2 days. Yeah, and I've got some trades going on right now. Some of them are longer term trades, some of them are short term trades. Some of them are in negative P&L right now, simply because I am averaging into those trades. So yeah, that is for the results. So really good potential here. 30% is absolutely expected here. And let's talk about how to make passive income with copy trading now. So when you set up your account correctly, which I will explain in the next step, when I invest, when I open a trade, this gets copied into your account automatically as well. Okay, the profit share is about 10-15%. And the best thing is you can start with as little as $100 or $200. You can invest more or whatever amount you want. I think maximum is about 10,000. And you can also compound this over time. So let's say you started your account with 1,000. The interest rate is about, so the return basically is about 20% per month, let's say. And we do this over 2 years. You don't deposit, you don't increase any deposits into your account. And if we compound this monthly, let's say, then the projection for 2 years is about 80,000 with your initial balance of 1,000. So the potential is massive. Obviously, this is just for fun because you will be taking profits along the way. But generally speaking, the potential, I wanted to show you the potential. So play yourself with the calculator. Definitely, I use it to set up my financial goals based on my returns I'm getting from my trades and investment strategies. 20% is a very good point to start with. So yeah, that's for how to make passive income with copy trading. Now, how to actually set it up correctly. This is super important. So number one, you need to set up your Bybit account first, okay? And there will be an official link posted in below this video, or if you are in my Discord group or you want to join my Discord group, you can go to VIP official links, and in step number one, you have the official link. Only use please official links because there is lots of scams online and you really want to avoid this. So you click the link, it will take you to the Bybit website. You can get a lot of bonuses depending on how much you deposit the first time. Bybit is only available outside US and UK. I am applying for master trader status on the US and UK friendly website exchange, so I will notify you about that. So make sure to join my Discord. The link will be in the video description below. But if you are outside US or UK, you can use Bybit for now. Okay, so click the link, sign up for the Bybit account, verify your account, and then buy your first. You need to fund your account. Okay, so in other words, I will go to my main account right now. Definitely I suggest you download the mobile app because it's easy. Once you set up your account, then go to more button, and then here is the button, where is it, buy crypto. Okay, you click the buy crypto button here, and then make sure this says USDT because you want to buy USDT. This is a digital kind of US dollar. Then select the currency you want to buy with, for example euro. Select the amount, let's say 200. Okay, click next, and you have all these options you can use for purchasing your crypto. You can use Google Pay, you can use bank card, you can even use transfer, I believe. It's best to use a Revolut bank card for crypto purchases, but it's totally up to you. And then again, click next, buy your first crypto, and this is going to be deposited to your account. Okay, so that was the step number 2. So the step number 1 is to open Bybit account. The step number 2 is to buy your fund your account, basically. So buy some initial crypto with a bank card or debit card. Step number 3 is going to be to click the invitation link. This link is in my Discord group in the VIP official links, or it's below in the video description as well. So click that link. It will take you to this page. Click copy. If you have a mobile application installed on your phone and you are logged in, this will take you to the same screen. These details unfortunately are for some reason incorrect. I don't know why, but anyway, click copy, and then it will take you to the setup screen. Now this is very important. Number 1, select your investment here. So let's say you want to invest the 200. You want to fund your copy trading account with the money you have bought, with the crypto you have bought in the previous step. So let's say 200. It can go as little as 100, I believe, not 50, or maybe 50, to 2,000 to 10,000. So 200, let's say, and then it's super important that you leave the USDT perpetual trades clicked, and you untick the trading bots. Okay, untick. I do have some trading bots running, but please do untick this because this is quite dangerous on Bybit, and you don't want to lose your money. So only copy my trades. If you want to copy my automations as well, I will give you instructions at the end of this video too. Then click more settings and make sure that the smart copy mode is selected for the USDT perpetual trades. And that is really it. Once you enter the investment, once you untick the trading bots and make sure the smart copy mode is selected, then you click I have read and agree to a trading agreement, and then click copy now. And that is it. Your account will be fully set up. Okay. So from now on, once you click copy now, from now on, anything that any trades, any investments I make in my copy trading account, this will be immediately copied onto your account, and any money I make, you will make as well, depending on how much money you have invested. Okay, so you can see we achieved really good performance over the past 30 days, and I plan on doing that. Okay, so make sure to not close any trades, even if it's a losing trade. Okay, please do not close any trades, because some of these trades, like I said, I am averaging into for the longer term. So I don't want to buy everything at once. I want to buy as the price is going down. Okay, and then when the price reverses, we will be making money. So do not close any trades on your own. Leave it up to me, and I will manage these trades. Okay. Like I said, some of these will be short term, some of these will be long term trades. Now, like I said, do not copy the bots. I think I switched the account. Do not copy the bots here. It's super important. If you want to copy the automations, then you need to go to my Discord group first. Okay. And my automations are on, all my automations are on Pionex. And there is in my Discord group, the link will be in the video description as well. If you go to VIP Wealth section, then you can check the profit results first. So you can see we've been just cracking it pretty much every day. I don't even post all these results because it's just too many. So we've got 15 days 15%, 5 days 22%, 57 days 81%, 6%, 8%, 25%, 16%, and this goes like all the way. These were crazy automations as well. 2000%, just crazy. Okay, so if you want to join this group, have a look at the results first, and then click a VIP how to join, and you will get all the instructions here as well. There is a video which I will link in somewhere on the screen and in the video description as well. You can watch this or read in my Discord group as well. Okay, also join the Discord group, because there is I am building a community here, and there is a lot in the community as well. Obviously announcements, we've got the community chat, request ideas, you can obtain the support as well. There is plenty of stuff on Amazon FBA as well. We've got videos, article if you are interested in starting your own business. I've been doing Amazon FBA since 2017. There is a lot on mindset and success. There is a lot on crypto as well. Money, health, books, and so on and so on. Okay, there is also my affiliate program, and there is the paid WealthX Project University for all bits and pieces, etc. So definitely make sure to join my Discord. And I think that is really it for this video. So I highly recommend you join my Master Trader list, and let's make money together. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye bye.